Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So I have brought a quick summary of the chapter Super Sense. So we will get to know about the Super Sense chapter, okay? And we will cover all these four basic points in this chapter. In the session, the first point is different type of senses, different senses of animal and their uses, animal and their color vision, and different sound produced by animal. Okay, so these all the 4 points we will cover in this session. So this is basically the assessment, pre-assessment question answer for you to check your previous knowledge, whether you are aware of anything and anything you know. Okay, let's come on the topic different type of senses. So what is senses? Sense can be defined as a feeling or perception produced through the organ of touch, taste, smell, vision, hear, etc. Okay, we know all these senses or sense organ which help us to, like touch help us, we touch by skin, okay, we taste by our tongue, we smell by our nose, we vision by our eyes, and we hear from our ears. So these all basically the sense organs, okay, of our body which help us to touch, taste, smell, vision, hear, okay, or resulting from a particular condition of some part of the body. Our senses make us aware of external world. Senses are subject to differentiation from individual to individual and organism to organism. For example, organisms that usually wander at night perceive things black and white, whereas those who wander at day can see colors as well. As we will move ahead, we will come to know about different type of senses employed by human and animal. Okay, now just move ahead to the next topic, different types of senses. So the first sense is sense of touch. Okay, so let's read what is sense of touch. How do we feel that something is hot or cold? How do we tell apart from different type of weather? It is our senses of touch, or in better word we can say sense of feel, right? Yes, because whenever you are drinking hot tea or cold coffee, you feel it by your skin. Okay, sense of feel. Now next come to the sense of vision. What is sense of vision? Different animals have different sense of vision. Some organisms like vulture, eagle and kite has a very strong sense of vision, so that they can see from a very long distance. There are other nocturnal animals which have a different type of sense of vision, so that they can see better at night in comparison to days. Sense of hearing. What is sense of hearing? Okay, let's read about that. This is the sense of listening to sound. Some organisms have a very strong sense of hearing. Okay, you must have seen some animals that are very aware of different kind of sounds. Okay, next sense of taste. What is sense of taste? How do we tell whether something is sweet or sour? It is our sense of taste which tell us how good or bad something tastes to someone. All the senses are personal. It can vary from person to person and the way they feel about it. Some people can find something very delicious, whereas some can find it quite irritating. Sense of smell. Have you ever watched a row of ants going one after the other in the same direction? Why do you think they do so? They have a very strong sense of smell by which they can tell apart a member of their own colony to that of the member from some other colony. Okay, so you can try a activity to see that way. Okay, different senses of animal and their uses. So let's see what are the uses. Some interesting sense of animals. Ant can detect small movement through 5 centimeters of earth. Bats can find food up to 18 feet away and get information about the type of insect using their sense of echolocation. Okay, mosquito get attracted to the host by human body odor, especially foot odor, carbon dioxide, body heats and humidity. Falcon can see a 10 centimeter object from a distance of 1.5 kilometer. Dog's sense of smell is quite strong. That is why it is used by policemen to probe a case. A silkworm can find its female from many kilometers far. Okay, so these are different senses of animals and how they use their sense in different way. Okay, you must have seen some different animals and their use of sense. So these are basically some interesting facts about the animal. You must have seen some animals. Just from now onwards you just have to be careful when you see an animal. Okay, and observe the activity of that animal. Okay, let's move to the next point. We have more points ahead to know about the different senses of animals. Like you must see the ants, you must see the bats. Okay, and you must be bitten by a mosquito at night at your home, and you think that how they find me whenever you change the room. Okay, just come to the next point. Animals and their color vision. Different animals have different kinds of color vision. Some have very poor color vision and some other have very good color vision. In fact, some birds and bees have super color vision and see colors that humans don't see. Some animals have very good color vision. It may not be as good as humans, but it is better than cats and dogs. Monkey, ground squirrel, birds, insects and many fish can see a fairly good range of color. This good sense of color vision enable them to identify their foods. Okay, my lovely kids. So we all know we all have a special type of an animal which with the super sense. Okay, animal with super color vision. Some insect like bees, butterfly can see colors that we cannot find. They cannot see. Their range of color vision extend up to the ultraviolet. Okay. Let's come to the next point. Different sound produced by animals. Okay. So various animals produce different sound at different intervals of time to communicate their messages. They also convey their different emotion like being attracted or in anger by producing unique sounds. Some animals like langur warn others of danger like tiger or leopard by producing a special warning calls. Birds also produce different sounds for warning. In fact, some birds even have different sounds for different types of dangers. Like they produce different sound for dangers from ground and sky. Okay, next point. Dolphins produce unique sounds to communicate with each other. Okay, yes. When it's come to the danger, they pass the message and alert all the fishes. Okay, hearing by animals. How do you think that snake hear the sounds produced? Snake cannot listen to the sounds produced. Instead, they listen to the vibration produced by feeling it through their skins. Okay? Yes, snakes don't have ears, but they can feel the vibration on ground by their skins. Okay? So this was exactly the interesting facts about animals. Okay, what we have learned so far. Okay, so we have covered all these points. Let's have a look. We have learned about the meaning of sense. We also learned about different type of senses. We have learned about some unique senses of animals and how it helps animals in their day-to-day chores. Okay, so let's have look all the questions which you have seen in the previous slide. Okay, so these are basically the practice question answer for you. Okay, so it's a request to you all, and you watch the video, just attempt all the questions to check your knowledge, okay, whether you understand or not. So the first, okay, so these all questions is your homework. Okay, thank you so much for your